Hello all, this is Manjusha Bhosle from KK Polytechnic Nashik. I welcome you all in this video on topic writing modules and packages in Python programming language. The objectives of this video are to write Python modules and Python packages for given problem. So I hope after watching this video you all will be able to write modules and packages in Python programming language. So let us start with the modules. What is module? Module refer to a file containing various functions, classes, variables or attributes. A file containing Python code, Python executable statements. Of course, it is a Python file which has extension .py, and it will also act like a module which can be used in another Python files too. We use modules to break down the large program into smaller so it become manageable, and it also provide reusability. The basic difference between function and modules is the statements written in function gets executes when we call the function, but from module we can call specific definitions or attributes. We don't need to execute all the things written in the module. We can define our most used function in a module and import it instead of copying their definitions into different program. So let us see how to write the module. Here is one sample. The name of module is sample module with extension .py. Two attributes are written inside it. One is val and second is a function. So we can also define our own module. For defining a module, we have to create a Python file, and in that file we have to write some functionalities. So let us do this. I am using Thonny editor, in which this is my first file and I want to make it as module. So in this module I am writing two functions. Suppose myFun underscore add with two parameters n1 comma n2, and I am just returning the addition of this n1 plus n2. Second definition, that is function, is myFun underscore msg with one parameter name, and it is printing the message now. I am saving the file my module.py. Now another file that will use this my module. Let us see how to do this. To do this, we use the import keyword, and we can access the definitions inside the module using dot operator. For example, if I have imported import math, then I have to use dot pov function to use the pov function. Import in Python is similar to including header files in the C and C++. So how to import the module, that we have to see. So let us go to the Thonny. I am writing here import the name of module, that is my module. Now whenever I say import my module, it means it will import all the functions or functionalities written in my module, but to use those functionalities I have to use the name of my module itself. So whenever I want to use this myFun underscore add, I have to use here my module dot myFun underscore add, and here two arguments as its definition contain 2 parameter. So of course after execution it will return the addition. That addition I need to store somewhere, or I can directly print it. Print sum. Instead of sum you can use another name too. Now I want to use another function from my module, so I can directly call this another function, but by using the name of module, my module dot my fun, and here one argument is required, that is name. Let us run the program. Before once again see it, I am importing my module, then I am importing the function myFun_add with 2 parameter, and whatever is the result written by this function will be stored in sum, and I am just printing the sum. And secondly, I am executing myFun_message by passing one name. So after running this, first we need to save this. Suppose my file, save, and here is the output. 57 is the addition of this first function with 2 numbers, and second is welcome KKWP. Now this import statement can be used with multiple ways. First we have already used. Second is used when there is a large name of module and we want to make it short. Then we can use from statement to import specific objects from module. So we can list out all those objects, and if you want to import all the objects, then we can use star. So from module name import list of object, and from module name import star. That 2 statements also we can use to import the module. First I am using here short name, so I can use as keyword and in front of that short name, suppose M. So instead of writing my module full name, I can just use M, and if I run this, then also I'll get same result. Suppose I want to just import this myFun_add, then I can use from statement. So here I am writing from my module import myFun_add. So at that time I don't need to use this M, I can directly use the name of function. But we have to see, what if I am not using or importing myFun_message and still I am using it. Let us run the program. Now here I am getting the result of myFun_add, but I am getting error for name error because I am importing only myFun_add. It is not accessing myFun_message. So I need to import it explicitly. So Control C, Control V. So here see, you can see the result. This is how you can use from statement. Instead of listing all the object, you can also write star, and if I run this, then also I'll get same result. So this is all about writing modules and importing modules in Python programming language. Let us move to the packages. As we all know, generally whenever we create or whenever we have multiple files, we always group them together into one directory or subdirectories. What is the reason? That we want to it like well organized and hierarchy of directory or files, so that if you want to find something you can find it fast, and whenever you want to keep all the things together of same functionality, you can make them easy. Similarly, in Python programming language, to group all the modules or all the functions, we use packages. So modules is a group of function and packages are the group of modules. As our application program grows larger in size with a lot of modules, we place similar modules in one package, so that to import particular module or particular function, we get it easier to get the package name and then module name and then function name. So let us start with creating a package. To create a package, first we need to create a folder. Then inside it we have to create one file, that is init.py. This init.py is a special file with double underscore at the start and at the end of its name. This file can be left empty, but we generally place the initialization code inside it. Underscore init underscore .py file is placed inside the package folder to make it package. So let us see the steps. First we have to locate the path where Python library is stored. Generally these Python libraries are stored in the Thonny folder and in leaf folder. So first we will create it, then we will create one file double underscore init double underscore .py file, and then we'll go for creating our module files like grit and arfun. So let us start with creating a package. Now I am moving to the folder Thonny lib. Here I will create a new folder, suppose pkg underscore kkwp. Now go to this folder, copy the path, come to the Thonny. Now I am saving this file. You have to place that path here and go inside the same folder. Give the name of that file double underscore init double underscore .py. Now this file is saved. Now to write the module files, get a new file. Suppose I am writing here that two functions which I have written inside my module. So I am just pasting here and save this file inside the same path. And here I am giving the name mod1 underscore suppose add. Save it. Get a second file, suppose here I will write another function. Save this. Suppose mod2 underscore msg. Save. Now let us see what our package contains. Init is created inside the package and mod2 underscore msg is also created inside the package. So we need to save it again, mod1 underscore add, save as. Save. Now you can see that our pkg underscore kkwp contain three files. One is init to indicate that it is a package, and with two module files or Python program files, mod1 underscore add and mod2 underscore msg. Now I am getting third file to import these modules with the name of package, but first of all we'll see how to import those package. The logical view of this package will be, in lib there is package name, and inside it these three files are there. The file's name may vary, and to import the modules from those packages we have to use from statement in front of that package name and then import and the module name. Now let us try this. Now suppose this is my new file, it's saved as file1.py, and now I want to use my package. Now the name of package is pkg_kkWp, so I will write here from pkg_kkWp import. Now my first file is mod1_add and second is mod2_msg, so that I can list out here. First of all we will import this mod1_add, mod1_add. Now as this mod1_add contain my function _add, here we need to use the name of module_add dot function, and here two arguments are necessary, 12, suppose 89, but by calling this function it will return something, so we will store val is equal to and print that val. Once again see it, from pkg_kkWp import mod1_add. So this file is imported, and in that file my function _add and two parameters, my function _add two parameters print val. Let us run the program. Now you can see the addition is printed here. This is how you can import the modules from the package. Now we will try for second module, so mod2_msg. I am calling the function which is written inside mod2_msg. So to call, use dot operator and use the name of function, but you have to replace here argument, suppose kkWp. Let us run. Here is the answer. So we have seen how to create module, how to import that module inside the Python file, how to create package, then how to write modules inside the package, and how to import the package in a Python programming file. I hope you all have understood the creation of package and modules. Thank you all. Thank you once again.